Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 reasons why traders fail. If you can avoid these 5 things, you just might succeed. So stay tuned. So number 1 is focusing on the money. Most people come in, of course the goal is to make money, right? But most people come in with the mindset to make money right away. And you shouldn't come in trying to make money in trading right away. The main focus should be learning. Stop comparing your year 1 to someone else's year 5. Or comparing someone trading $100,000 account to you that is probably trading a smaller size. Because you're not going to make the same thing. Your journeys are different. Switch your mindset from making money right away and focus on learning, and your journey will be different. Number 2, lack of knowledge. So people try to jump right into the markets without learning. Beginner's luck, you make some money and then you lose it all, and then that's when you want to learn. But the right way to do it is to actually focus on learning first. There's a lot of knowledge on Twitter. If you follow the right people, there's a lot of knowledge on Instagram if you follow the right people. In some Discords, there's a lot of knowledge. The free ones, there's some really good Discords out there like Kane Capital. It's probably one of the best free Discords around. You don't need to pay for signal groups. You honestly don't even need to pay for courses. There's a wealth of knowledge on YouTube to figure it out. Dig deep, knowledge. Number 3. Emotions. Oh my, we all have them, guaranteed. They say trade with 0 emotions. I would say manage them, because there's no way you can trade without emotions. You manage them. You're aware of your emotions, whether it be fear of losing money, it be greed because you want to make more money, it could be excitement because you made so much you want to go back in and make some more. You just need to be aware of it. That's where self-awareness comes in. You need to be aware of your emotions. Be like, okay, now I'm feeling greed. So what do? I think it's best to step away because I'm feeling greed. I'm sensing greed coming up. It could also be like, oh, I'm afraid I'm going to lose money in this trade. I'm panicking. Okay, how do I do this? Breathe in. This is where mindfulness comes in. You need to think and focus on the charts and not your profit and loss in front of you, because the moment you focus on your profit and loss, it's over. You just focused on that, and then you take losses on trades that you shouldn't even take losses on, and you end up holding losers way too long because your emotions have taken control of you. So you need to manage them. You can't suppress them or throw them away or be emotionless. You just have to manage them in the right way, in the way that works for you. Do you get it? Number 4, trading without a plan. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And that's it. In the market, you cannot get away with trading without a plan for so long. It will come back and bite you in the ass. Anyway, you need to plan your trades with if and then statements. If you go on my Twitter, when I post my watch list or even some of the videos, I'll say, if AMD breaks above 130, I will look to get calls. If it fails at 130 and does not break above 130, then I will do nothing. I'll sit on my hands and look for the next trade. You have to use if, then, and buts, everything. You need to plan every single thing so that your brain is like a sponge. You absorb that information and be like, okay, this is what I have been told to do, so I'm going to do that. If you do not plan your trades, you are just going to react based on what? Emotion. And emotion that is not controlled is a recipe for disaster. Plan your trades. I saved the best for the last. Number 5, lack of discipline. It's so easy to say you will do something and then go ahead and not do it. That's lack of discipline. And the best way to tackle this is to examine your personal life. What are things you say you would do every day and you end up not doing? Start by doing those things. It could be washing your dishes every night. It could be brushing your teeth every night. Start small and fix those things, and then it will trickle down into your trading. If you don't get a hold of lack of discipline, you would struggle. So I discussed 5 things here. When you start your trading journey, on your trading journey at all, don't focus on the money. Don't focus too much on making money. Educate yourself, because lack of knowledge is an issue. Emotions. Control your emotions, right? And trade with a plan. Always have a trading plan. And finally, number 5, discipline. Build discipline. Discipline would carry you so far, you wouldn't imagine it. That's all I have for this video. If you enjoyed this, or I offered value, or you resonate with anything I said here, please just tap the subscribe button right there and share this video with your friends. Maybe it might help somebody. Maybe they might be able to take a few points from this video. I don't know. But have a great day or have a great week whenever you're watching this. Until next time, take care.